All right, guys. So I really wanted to make this video. Just bought this convertible sofa bed, couch sort of thing. And you're probably trying to figure out, is this the right one to buy? Because there's many different brands here on Amazon. So I'm going to help you figure it out by letting you know how I figured it out. First thing I did is I noticed that, actually, let me look. Oh, dude, this one is selling with all the different types, all the different options as far as colors and stuff. This one is easily selling, like, I want to say it's between like 1 and 3,000 of these are selling per month. 800, more than 800 in this color alone. I got the nice black. Um, but these are selling like hotcakes and they're getting very highly reviewed. So that's how I make my buying decisions. Convertible sofa beds that are actually pretty legit are very new. Like, they were crappy back in the day and hard to really know what to get. When you're buying on Amazon, you don't want to have to return something like this. Like, take it apart, put it back in a box and return it. You don't want to have to run through that hassle. So you want to buy it right the first time. So that's what I did. I bought the one everyone else is buying and very happy with. Um, this thing is incredible. You can see we've got our pillows on the side that kind of give you that armrest sort of vibe. But obviously you can remove that if you want to lay it down. I'll show you how it lays down in a second. But first thing I just wanted to show you is just how comfortable, I'll be transparent with you. This is not the most plush couch in the world. I mean, if you're looking for a plush couch, what are you going to spend? You're going to spend for sure 5x at least, if not more. That's how incredible of a value this is. So this is for a value shopper like me that's looking for something that fits a purpose, but it is legit. It's very comfortable and it's very versatile. That's what this is. I really love the black. Let's show you this. You actually have a console in the middle with two cup holders. That's incredible for a couch in this category. So what it does is all we do is push it forward like that. It clicks, and then we come back. Now we're ready to go to bed. Look at that. And I'll just go ahead and lay down real quick. I like to use two pillows, so I'm just going to do it like that. But this thing's really nice if you're in a dorm room, an apartment, or you just need a versatile extra piece that could pair as a bed. Dude, people are going to appreciate you for having this. A lot of people don't consider other people. I mean, that's basically what Jesus was talking about, right? The world's run by a bunch of people that are just thinking about themselves all the time. So if you're thinking about other people, I mean, it's just a different vibe. The other thing that's really cool about it is we can actually, I think I'll come down. You can you can even just bring it up part way, which there's something about that. You can like give this like recline vibe. You're really chilling, all that kind of stuff. I love it. It's got really nice legs on it, and they're not going to scratch up the floor. Super lightweight, but sturdy at the same time. Think about the number. Think about the number that I paid for this on the product page. This is insane that we live in a world now where you can literally spend nothing and get an amazing convertible sofa bed. It works as a couch. It works as a bed. And it works as this like almost like in between thing right here. This thing's incredible. I highly recommend it. I bought it. What are you going to do?